welcome to Validate-DCB. So today we're going to have a look on how to do the installation if we are not connected to the internet. So my name is Jan Mortensen, and for the next 2-3 minutes you will get a quick guide how to do the offline installation. So first of all, let me jump into PowerShell and try to do the normal installation. So if I do the install module, you will see I get an error here because I'm disconnected from the internet. You can see that no internet access. So first of all, I jump to another machine, and on that machine I have internet connectivity. So now I've saved the module instead. I download everything, so you will see in a second in my temp folder I will have the different files that I need. And you can see that the folders are being created right now, and when it's ready here, I just select all of them and copy them back to the machine that didn't have internet connectivity. So in that way I get all the modules onto that other machine. So here again I go into my folder structure, and it's important that you put it into the right place, because when you then restart PowerShell it will load it by itself. So we go into the modules here and we paste all the files. So in a second you will see that all files are being copied, so it goes really fast here. And then you have to shut down the PowerShell session and start it up again, and then it will load the module. So we will do that now, and then we are more or less ready to do the different steps here. So just run Validate-DCB and the wizard will start again. We fill in the information for my S2D cluster here, and then more or less it's exact the same as with the online version. So I have to add the same information about my system. This cluster that I'm using right now has a lot of errors, so you're going to see that in a moment. There will be a lot of errors showing up. But if you haven't seen this, go back and see part 1 to 4. They will tell everything about this part here. So I have to save the configuration file again, and the second I have done that and press the export, it will start to scan. And in a second here you will see not just some red but a lot of red. But the first part is just a prerequisite. So there we had of course 0 findings, but now we are scanning and you can see it's popping up with more and more red information at this time here. So again, we have something to do. If you liked what you saw here, then please subscribe, and in the next video you will see me fixing all the errors. Okay, again, thanks for watching.